The secret weapon to getting amazing recommendation letters isn't choosing the right teachers, it's creating a great brag sheet. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to make a brag sheet that helps teachers write you the best possible letters. Most students just hand in their resume to their teachers and call it a day. Let me show you how to create the perfect brag sheet that actually gives teachers the specific details they need. Step number 1, create a personal profile section. Include your name, contact information, intended majors, and college lists with the deadlines. Add a brief paragraph about your academic interests and your goals. This gives recommenders context for their letters. Step 2, create a section dedicated to that teacher's specific class. Include specific assignments or projects you're proud of, concepts that fascinated you, challenges you've overcome, and growth that you've demonstrated. Remember that specific projects or discussions will highlight your strength. Step 3, highlight activities that connect to their subject. If you want the brag sheet template, the link is in my bio. Good luck and get those recommendations in.